I am at Rocky Garage after fixing the new tires. Now it's time for part 2 of the preparation. I am here to get the dash cam fixed. Dash cam I have already ordered from Amazon and I am here to get it installed. Talking about the tire, I had not mentioned the price in my first video. The overall price what I've got for the 4 tires is 40,000, so roughly 10,000 per tire, including the fitting, wheel alignment, balancing, so all inclusive 40,000 for 4 tires. I had got much higher quote from the Bridgestone showroom and hence I went ahead with the showroom which I knew earlier, and I had got the alignment and balancing done there, and I feel it's a pretty good deal that I've got. So let's get the dash cam fixed. This is another item which I had seen in Team BHP and I've ordered it from Amazon. So this goes here on the headrest and this becomes a space for you to hang anything, any food items, your laptop bag, anything you want to hang instead of keeping it in the foot or keeping it on the seat. So this is 250 rupees, you get 4 pieces. I'll add the link for this in the comment section or in the description section. This is the dash cam Cubo. This is dual channel, so comes for front as well as on the back side, and the front one has a 4K recording. This has costed me around 14k, 14,000 on Amazon, and I have also ordered a memory card as well, that is around 1,800. This is the memory card, 256 GB Evo Plus Samsung. They are doing proper concealed wiring, not keeping anything in the open. Takes time, but it's a foolproof process. I am back to home. So this is how the setup has been done. It's completely concealed. You won't even notice that the cable is going. It's quite professionally done. Once you switch on the dash cam, it will show a QR code which you need to scan, and it will ask you to download the app. I have done that and I'm going to do the setup now. Alright, the setup is done. Let me go for a short round and see how it captures. Done with downloading the video. So you can select any 3-minute duration and download the video. The videos of every 1 minute will be saved in your gallery. For 3 minutes video, the size was roughly 500 MB, but it got downloaded in less than a minute. The dash cam also records the sound and you can switch that off from the app. So let's take a look at the videos now.